What's up, guys? Here's the all-new Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus in silver. You're greeted with, when you open the get it out of the packaging that's shipped to you from Samsung, you are immediately greeted with this big old screen here with the photo along with the little bit of the back and the camera. On the right side you have it looks like the side of the tablet. Normally, like on the phone boxes, they have like the S Pen or something like that. On the bottom, there's nothing. On this side, you're greeted with Samsung logo and Tab S7, and then you got your barcode stuff that I'm covering up. The top is plain Jane. The bottom, if you want to pause and read this, let me see if I can get this to focus a little bit. You can. This is specs, it's too small for me to read. It's got a barcode right there that you can scan. Don't know if it'll focus. Yeah, let's see if I can get that to focus. If you could scan that barcode, it would probably take you to the site. But anyways, let's just get right into this here. Alright. Let's see if I can pull this up with one hand. I don't have my tripod today because I wasn't expecting to get this today due to delivery issues with FedEx for some reason. So when you open the box, you're immediately greeted with a tablet and this nice, comfortable sleeve. I mean, it just feels so smooth. Let's see how can you get this up. Let's see. Can I get up under you? Okay, so I'm going to. There's a little tab there. Oh man, this is super thin. Oh wow. I mean, look how thin this is, y'all. Even though it's in the sleeve, I mean, it is super thin. So we will put that off to the side for a minute, and then the next thing right here to get out is the S Pen itself. This is the first time I owned a tablet since the Note Pro tablet. That has the Note Pro tablet had the S Pen inside of it, and it was a 12-inch tablet. And it's about time that Samsung brought another 12-inch tablet out. The pen here feels like it's got a flat edge to it. So we'll see what that happens. We got some Samsung branding right there. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. There it goes. I don't know if I have that upside down. It's hard for me to see without me getting close to it. So anyways, now this tablet will support 45 watts of charging. So, and in the box you do get the 25 watt charger, the 15 watt charger, it looks like. 25 watt charger comes out the top here. So this looks like a 15 watt charger, which is the come on Samsung, so get it to focus on the fast charge there. Now granted, I do have an extra 25 watt charger. Then you have let's see what else we got here in the box. Nothing there. Really? Where is the charging cord? You would think it'd be inside of here. I mean, look at there. There is literally nothing in there. This has just been one of these. Oops, there's the charger. There's the cord. Well, that was just odd. Why would they have... Let's go back to this. Why would they have this, and knowing that you're going to look in there and think, where's my charger? Where's my cord? Anyways, then you have right here your SIM rejection tool if you have the cell version, but this is also to get the micro SD card out. So let's see if there's anything else in the box here. Oh, and nothing. Dude, why is this sticky right there? That's odd. But anyways, guys, let's see here. We'll put all this back in together a little later. Just throw all the box stuff. I guess your books are inside here too, right? I'm not going to open it, but yeah, your owner's manual books are in that little box too. But there's that. Okay, so now, sorry I'm dragging this out. Let's see how we can do this. Gotta have some nails to get this stuff to come up. So there's that. I mean, that's a good seal there. That was a good seal. Alright, so is this? We'll turn you this way because I don't want, I'm sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, doing it the best I can. I don't want the screen to get scratched. Alright, so we got that up. Just pull the sleeve off of there like that. And then here you are granted with the tablet itself. Okay, so that's a nice screen right there. So on the bottom, you have, what is this? You have your little dots there for hooking the keyboard up. My keyboard is coming later. I'm not sure what that little indentation is. I guess to help line it up. Yeah, because there's another one there. Okay, and that's it on the bottom side. On the, I guess this is the left side, you have one speaker there, followed by, I guess, microphones, and then another speaker there. I guess this is your antenna line right there. You got another one there. Got another one there. Top side, you are greeted with your power button, volume buttons, looks like another microphone, or is that your SIM tray? Another SD card slot. That might be the SD card slot. I don't know, we'll figure it out. There's another microphone, and okay, right here looks like your SIM tray. Yeah, that's will be your SIM tray if you have the international version. I mean, the cell version, or the Wi-Fi version only has SD card slot. So that's it on the top. Got nice little curves there. Alright. Bottom. This is the bottom. You're greeted with another speaker, followed by your micro USB-C port and another speaker, and as long with your other microphones, I guess, and antennas. Alright, now backside. You're greeted with the little placement of the S Pen. Let's see how this, so it goes on there just like that. So that's the flat, okay, that's why there's a flat spot. And that's a pretty strong magnet right there. That's cool. So it goes on there just like that. Got a Samsung branding there, and then tuned with the AKG speakers, and then right here is your cameras with flash. You have two cameras here. But anyways, guys, that's going to be it on the video here. That's my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and help support my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great, awesome day.